Everything went smoothly and the installation was fantastic. They were in and out in one day, and I had every window and door in my house replaced, and there was no problems. I was concerned that there would be some trim that I'd have to replace or some issues with the drywall, but nothing had to be done on the inside of the house. The communication was fairly well. I did have some little bumps in the road, but nothing major to turn me away. I absolutely love the new windows and doors. I have noticed a significant drop in my air conditioning bill, and as far as the operation they're very easy to operate. Just the amount that I've noticed that air conditioning bill or the power bill has dropped significantly.